Welcome back to Learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the intro to built-in PHP functions. This is working with substrings. A substring is a portion of a string. For example, hello is a substring of the string oh hello how are you? And L is a substring of the string hello. Manipulating strings is very common in programming, and working with substrings is often necessary. The substring count function returns the number of instances of a substring within a string. It takes two arguments: the string to search through, sometimes called the haystack, and the string to search for, sometimes called the needle. Here we have a story variable, and it's assigned this short story. We then echo substring count with story passed in, and we're looking for like, which prints 8. In the code above, we invoke the substring count function, passing in story as the haystack and like as the needle. We used echo to print the returned result 8, which is the number of times a substring like appears in the story string. Let's practice. Use echo and the substring count function to print the number of times the word really appears in SA1. And it's going to look similar to what they did here. Let's do it. Let's run it. And we do pass. 2 says, use echo and the substring count function to print the number of times the word obvious appears in SA2. Notice that substring count is not concerned with which characters come before or after the string it's searching for. It will count both obvious and obviously. Let's do that now. Let's run it. And we do pass. And what we're learning here, working with substrings, is useful when we want to manipulate a string. We can use the substring count function, which is going to return the number of times a substring is found within a string. It takes those two arguments, often called the haystack and the needle. The haystack is what we're searching through, and the needle is what we're looking for. And the only other important thing is, as it says down here, is substring count function is not concerned with which characters come before or after the string it's searching for. It will count words that might have additional letters added to the end, such as here was obvious, will also return true for obviously. As long as you guys are getting that, you guys are understanding working with substrings, and I'll see you in the next one.